Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure battery is above 20% and remove any case or external accessories that might press buttons. Once done, press and hold the power key until the power menu appears. This avoids accidental resets. Tap Restart if available, because a standard reboot often clears safe mode by reinitializing background services. If Restart is missing, power off, wait 10 seconds, then power on. These steps reset temporary conditions that keep the phone in safe mode. Once the phone reboots, check whether the safe mode label still appears. This tells you if the issue is persistent. If it returns, boot normally and uninstall the most recent or suspicious apps, one at a time, because a misbehaving app can trigger safe mode to protect the system. Make sure to inspect the volume and power buttons for debris or sticky behavior. A stuck button often forces safe mode on startup. After each change, restart to confirm whether the problem is solved. If safe mode still persists, try clearing the cache partition from recovery. This is non-destructive and can fix system-level issues. Make sure to back up important data before considering a factory reset, because reset erases user data. Create a new user profile or guest session to see if the issue is tied to your account. If none of these actions work, get help from the device manufacturer or carrier, since persistent safe mode can indicate hardware faults or deep system corruption.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.